Shubor Nakashlem Jong Nongsan Hima.
Kakinhun Menteri Henegasni Kalamanjur Banthe de Away Ïing ha Bangalore, Nagbanta Banarab Eki Samla Pulie Jong Jylla ki Bapule Hakanigan Nongbak. Nakaliang Menteri ka Sorkar Jylla uba Polindo ah Bakran Batkinong Thokobor Hadian Gajing Kendo Jong ki Menteri Sorkar, Ule Tho Bakanika Ïing Kadei ha Bangalore, Hakabakan Ajing Shakri Nakabanta ki Samla Pulie Batki Paidbah Nak Jylla, Kibala Dan Kam Shakaniga Jylla. Ule Tho Ru Banakabanta ka Meghalaya House, Kindang Ekren, Hendai Banthau, ya ka Meghalaya House ka don kam banthau ki kam bapher hendai ban ai ka jingrap ka bakloi ka Sorkar ka Thied ka Ïing bakan long kum ka Ïing basa.
The purchase of a building in Bangalore for the accommodation of visitors from Meghalaya to that city, and more especially for the student population. This particular building located in the city of Bangalore will accommodate at any point of time in 2 dorms for girls and boys, 50 boys and 50 girls. And Bangalore being one of the most visited areas by Meghalayans, and also we have a number of students pursuing various courses in that city. See, as of now, the immediate need is to cater to the need of the student population. A Meghalaya house is also in the pipeline, but in order to address the immediate need where a number of students are finding it very difficult to find accommodation, and the rates also are very exorbitant. But creating a Meghalaya house would need more like creation of more posts, placing of officers. So in order to address the immediate need, we will first create this facility of a guest house specially dedicated to visitors and student population of the state.
Not yet, because this will be given by the government of Karnataka only. So once the cabinet agrees, then the formality will start.
But since we have only mentioned it will accommodate 50 boys, which is, I thought that it has only been, the deal has been sealed.
Yeah. It's somewhere in the range of 20 crores.
20 crores.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah, between in that range.